So how do you see the impact of the Evergrande liquidation on China's real estate market, considering both immediate effects and potential broader macroeconomic repercussions?
Yeah, thanks for having me. I think from the way the court document is specified, it's basically a ruling against the Evergrande's assets in Hong Kong. Basically, it's a listed entity in Hong Kong. So I think the liquidation process and order applied towards the offshore assets, which is about 20 billion yuan in size. I think the onshore assets are mostly pledged against some sort of asset collateral against some sort of liabilities, and therefore, even if you want to initiate a onshore liquidation process, there wouldn't be much collateral left, for the liquidation. So I think, all in all, we are gradually seeing the end of the saga. So I think the market has been speculating, how best, to resolve the Evergrande crisis, and now we're sort of seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. So I wouldn't say it's a bad news. I think it actually shows what could be done in a situation such as this.
And how effective have the recent policy measures introduced by the Chinese government been in stabilizing the real estate sector?
I think in 2023, we sold about 10 to 11 trillion yuan worth of real estate in sales. So, which is not entirely bad, considering how much headwinds you have. But I think at the peak of the cycle in 2021, we sold about 18 trillion yuan worth of property. So now we're down like, less than half. Normally, when the adjustment happened in the real estate sector, because it's a very asset-heavy sector, right? So it tends to overcorrect itself, during the cycle. So I think right now, with all the policy support, the sector is trying to find the bottom. So initially, in the last few weeks of December, we indeed see a spur of activities in the sector.